Hey guys, it's Tech9 and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you on how to install Python, the latest update on your Windows PC. So open your favorite web browser. Okay, so just search Python download. After you click here, to lead you to the download latest version page. So this depends with the operating system that you are using. As for me, I'm using Windows. For you might be using Linux, Unix, Mac, or any other operating system. So just click here to also lead you to here. This is the Python 3.12.4 version. So just click on download. As for me, I've already downloaded it. Okay, so head on to the downloads folder. Just double click on it. Okay, so Python 3.12.4 64-bit. Just click use admin privilege when installing. Also tick, then click on install. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. So the installation has started. So just wait for it. This depends with your machine. Some of you it might take longer, some of you it might be faster than it is. So just take a break or just have some patience as it installs. Okay, as you can see, the setup is in progress. So okay, so this is Python for Windows. Sorry about that. Yes, so this is Python for Windows. As you can see, setup was successful. So let's just minimize or close the app. Then let's learn a simple command. So just search IDLE, then run as administrator. Just click yes. Open. So let's run a simple Python command. Print open bracket. Okay, hello world. Then click enter. So as you can see, there is the output. This shows that Python is running okay without any errors. It's showing that Python is running okay without any errors. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.